Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on Siri on Apple Watch Ultra 3. In order to enable Siri on your watch if it's disabled, you have to press the digital crown to open the list of all applications. Now once you're here, scroll to the settings and open the settings list, and in settings list you're gonna have to find Siri settings. Tap on them to open, and then in order to enable Siri you have to enable one of the three following options: either raise to speak, press digital crown, or listen for. So if you want to call for Siri, you can go to listen for option and enable either Hey Siri or Siri and Hey Siri if you want to. Then press enable Siri to confirm, and additionally you can also enable raise to speak and press digital crown options to call Siri. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.